Okay, welcome back again to my channel. So this time, the second video is to teach you and demonstrate how to connect Nox Player. This is the Nox Player as emulator. Okay, connect to Android Studio. Okay, so in our previous video, we just downloaded a particular file, a particular installer about Nox Player, and this time let us now install this Nox Player. So to install, I just double click the installation media, and just click next and initializing this time. Okay, so while we are waiting on this to install later, so this one you have options to reject that Avast, and as well as block annoying ads with Opera browser. Okay, so while we are waiting, okay, for this installation process, I want also to share with you the website where did I get the particular details on how we're going to connect. So I will also sharing with you this particular site. Okay, and this will serve as our guide as well later, especially on the last portion here. Okay, so from here, okay, go back on our file here and start this particular Nox Player. So right now, I will be opening at the same time the Android Studio, which we just run, okay, in the previous video, okay, about simple Hello World application. So this time, we just named that one as Hello World app. So let us wait to fully load the particular file with the particular applications. Alright, so right now we are, last time we rely in the built-in emulator of Android Studio, okay, and configuration. So later we're going to connect to the Nox Player. So this time we have now this tablet view of our Nox Player. So all you need to do, okay, to change our view and the particular step for us to connect in Android Studio, all you need to do is just click this settings here and make sure you are selecting the performance tab and try to change this into mobile. Okay, and proceed as well in the general view, and as you can see here now, we need to take this particular route as well. These are the settings. That's the second procedure. And the display, okay, the device rather, make sure you're going to check the device name, as this is the particular name to be shown later in Android Studio. Alright, so save the settings, and as you save, it may require a restart. Okay, may require a restart, and as you can see, this time it looks like a smartphone, not a tablet view this time, so like in our phone, as we configure in our phone, still we have to proceed to the settings now. Okay, and go to the about tablet and find the build number and just tap or tick at least five times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and until you see this one, this to feedback now, you are now developer. So as we go back, okay, we have here the option now, developer option. So all you need to do here is just to enable this USB debugging option. So as we enable, just click OK, and yeah, our device is ready now to be an emulator. Okay, so but here, let's try to check if we can saw clearly our device. So as you can see here, there is an options here that we can run now, or our device is successfully connected to our Nox Player. But if in case this particular name of or your device is not shown in that particular option, so you may continue the step number 6 in this website. Okay, so all you need to do is to try checking where you install or where did we install the particular Nox Player. So from there, I may find in my desktop and try to check the properties, the location where did we install the particular Nox Player. Okay, so let me close this one. So as you can see here, we just installed in, not clearly stated here about the location. So we just installed Nox Player in local desk C. Okay, so let me open this PC window, and this one, try to go to local desk C, and as it says here, we just installed our Nox Player under program files, okay, in our Go With view, and yeah, the next one here, find the Nox Player, and this is where we installed the Nox, and this one, as you can see, it's a CMD, it's a CMD, okay, or command prompt. Okay, so we will use this if ever your particular emulator is not being detected, okay, in your Android Studio. So to detect by Android Studio, you may press Windows R and type CMD to open command prompt, so from there, we will use to follow the particular locations, but right now we are in the users folder, okay, and in my computer folder. So I may now type cd and / to go back on local desk C. Okay, so meaning I have in this view this time, so this one, so I am entering this time. So I need to go to program files by 86, cd program by cd. Cd means program as change directory, and program files, even lowercase, this is accepted in Android Studio, CMD. Alright, then enter. So we successfully enter in this view. So the next thing, we'll proceed to the Nox, Nox. So cd, okay, showing with you the view, cd, I may now proceed with this, Nox. So I am here in this view this time, and cd bin. So I am here in this view, and I am here in this view this time. So right now, I'm done entering to the bin folder. So I may, to enable, I may type the following. So as you can see here, I will just copy, so we have nox _ adb.exe, okay, then type connect, and 127.0.0.1 : and 6 2001 and press enter. So as you can see here now, if it's something says here, you are already connected, or sometimes you can see this one, but in my end, no, it's already connected in my view. So as you can see in my view this time, no, hello world, okay, I can now access or use the emulator Samsung, which is the Nox Player. So if I'm going to press run on this, so let's wait to for our output, no, to be compiled. Okay, and install and launch in this particular emulator, not in the emulator earlier. Okay, so waiting this to be compiled. Alright, so installing this time. Alright, so here as you can see, we just successfully connect and be able to use as emulator the Nox Player. So same case if you would like to connect your phone to your laptop or to the desktop. So same setup, no, of Nox Player, no, particularly in the settings setup of this. Alright, so that's all for this video, and thank you for watching, and continue to support my growing channel. Thank you everyone.